Ngizoqhubeka okwamanje ke. Bazonginikeza nami ukuze ngikwazi ukufunda lapha ngikuhumushele engikufundayo okubhaliwe lapha.
Now, as an introduction, it's got a heading that says Vosloorus CAS 636 of 10, 2014. And then it then reads as follows. I, the undersigned, Absalom Ntantezi Zungu, with ID number 58021455802, state under oath in English, and paragraph 1 thereof reads as follows. I am an adult male born on 1958-02-14, residing at Setokhe, Section Tembisa. I am currently unemployed but do temporary work at First Retail SG Coal Company with cellular number, which I'm not going to read onto the record. Mr. Interpreter, I'm told that that document is Exhibit U.
Thank you, my lord. Ngizokufundela ke. How are we going about? Are you going to, my lord, I just need to ascertain, are you going to read the whole paragraph, then I interpret, or line by
okay,
line?
Let me read, because I'm only interested in paragraphs 1, 2, and 3.
Uzofunda ke.
Then you can interpret. So I've already read paragraph 1. Let me go to paragraph 2.
Uzofunda igajana sokuqala sesibili sesithathu. Ngizobe senami ngiyalandela ke ngihumusha lokho akufundile.
Okay, paragraph 2 thereof reads as follows. In late 2017, I met Mbekiseni Ntanzi, who is my relative from the homeland in KwaNongoma. I met Mbekiseni in Durban, Kwamashu Squatter Camp. It was during the recent discussion between myself and him, whereby he told me something startling. He said to me that there was once a fight or argument between his brother Mafika Ntanzi and another Ntanzi brother in Sosoto homeland in KwaNongoma. I do not recall what Mafika was arguing with his other brother about, according to Mbekiseni. Paragraph 3 thereof, Mbekiseni said after the argument, he was told by the other Ntanzi brother that he won't fight with Mafika. Instead, he will report him to the police for the murder of, I've tried to read that word, for me it's so indelible that I can't read. And then after that, pirate goalkeeper called Senzo Meiwa back in Vosloorus. He further said that he was told by the brother of Mafika, not Mbekiseni, that Mafika Ntanzi committed the murder with Muzi Sibia, who's also from KwaNongoma. I further do not know the two, and then the other word also is difficult for me to decipher. Suspects were staying at the hostel during the time Senzo was killed. I further that Muzi Sibia had dreadlocks at a certain time, but he cut them off after the murder of Senzo. Muzi Sibia is currently in KwaNongoma, and Mafika Ntanzi is currently at a certain mine in Rustenburg. That's where I'll end. And for this purpose, before you read, Mr. Interpreter, my lord, I know that the decision of Mafalo Diso is relevant to this aspect of reading the statement, but this entire statement has been read on record ad nauseum, so I'm only limiting myself to the relevant aspects for which I would like to interact with the witness. You can interpret them, Mr. Interpreter. Thank you so much.
God bless. Fundeka kanjena ke lesi statement esiwubufakazi enombolo ayibizile ummeli. Siqala ngokuthi Phosphorus sisho inombolo yecala ngokwesiphoyisa ethi CAS 636 stroke 10 stroke 2014. Bale kanjena. Mina osayinde ngaphansi kulesi statement Absalom Mhlahlezi Zungu lezinombolo zomazisi ezithi siyazisho ke inombolo ukuthi zithini. Not sure, did you read the ID numbers or should I skip?
Yes, we shouldn't read the ID number on record. Oh no, we read it on record. The only thing that we didn't read was the cell number.
Thank you. But the number of the mazisi is 580214 558082. Ngibeka inkulumo ngiyifungele ngolwimi luka George lwesingisi phela. Kuthi ngumlisa omdala ozalwa ngo-1958 enyangeni kaFebruary inyanga yesibili umhla zingu-14 ohlala eSithupha section eThembisa okwamanje kangisebenzi kodwa ke ngisebenza okwesikhashana ePiet Retief SG Coal Company and izinombolo zami zocingo zithi asosifunda ke ngesifunda inombolo zakhe uyaqhubeka ke kulesi sigajana sesibili paragraph yesibili uthi kwathi late noma mosiyophela unyaka ka2017 ngahlangana nombhekiseni Ntanzi oyisihlobo engibazele emakhaya kwaNongoma ngizama ukufunda lesisandla sikhulu ukusifunda ngadibana nombhekiseni kunegama la angiliboni kahle lithi kodwa lithi kwaMashu. What is this word?
In Durban, kwaMashu.
eThekwini noma eDurban kwaMashu squatter camp noma ngasho ngithi ke eMikhukhwini kwaku it was during the handwriting
it was during the recent discussion between myself and him.
Kwathi masiceda nje ukuxoxisana maduze mina naye wayesengitshela ukuthi wangitshela into ethize eyangimangaza wangitshela into ethize emangazayo wathi kimina kuye kwaba khona ukulwa phakathi kukamfowabo uMafika Ntanzi kwaba khona ukulwa nomqabana phakathi kwakhe phakathi kukamfowabo uMafika Ntanzi nomunye is it another Ntanzi?
Yes.
kanye nomunye untanzi ongumfowabo in what homeland?
Sorry, Mr. Interpreter.
I'm still in the second paragraph.
Yes.
The third line from the bottom. The third in something homeland.
He says there was once a fight or argument between his brother Mafika Ntanzi and another Ntanzi brother in Sosoto homeland in Kwanongo.
Oh, Sosoto.
Yes.
Esabelweni sase Sosoto. KwaNongoma. Uqhubekile uthi wathi angikhumbuli. I do not recall what Mafika.
I do not recall what was Mafika arguing with his other brother about, according to Mbekiseni.
Angisakhumbuli ke ukuthi ke uMafika lo kanye nomunye umfowabo babephikisana ngani ngokusho kukaMbekiseni. Siye ke ku paragraph yesithathu. Can you assist also on the third paragraph? I'm sorry, I can't read it.
So let's do it perhaps sentence by sentence, Mr. Interpreter. Paragraph 3 says, Mbekiseni said after the argument, he was told by
Mbekiseni uthe emva kwempikiswano leyo.
He was told by the other Ntanzi brother that he won't fight Mafika with Mafika.
Watshelwa yilo omunye umfowabo Ntanzi watshelwa ngomunye umfowabo wakwaNtanzi ukuthi angeke alwe noMafika.
Instead, he will rather report him to the police for the murder of, and there's an indistinct word there, pirate goalkeeper called Senzo Meiwa back in Vosloorus.
Esikhundleni sokuthi alwe naye lowo mfowethu uzohamba uyobikela amaphoyisa ngaye ngokubulawa kuka goalkeeper we-Pirates.
Pirate goalkeeper called Senzo Meiwa back in Vosloorus.
Obizwa ngalika Senzo Meiwa emuva le ndaweni yaseVosloorus.
He further said he was told by the brother of Mafika, not Mbekiseni, that Mafika Ntanzi committed the murder with Muzi Sibia, who is also from Nongoma.
Uphinde washo futhi ukuthi utshelwe yilo monye umfowabo kaMafika hayi uMbekiseni ukuthi uMafika Ntanzi uyena owenza icala lo ekanye noMuzi Sibiya,
who is also from Kwanongoma.
Naye ovela kwaNongoma.
And it goes on. I further do not know the two, and there's an indistinct word, suspects were staying at the hostel at the time Senzo was killed. Senzo Meiwa was killed.
Uqhubekile wathi futhi kangibazi laba babili khona igama esingaliboni la bese uyaqhubeka abasolwa ababehlala ehostela yaseVosloorus ngenkathi uSenzo Meiwa ebulawa.
I further that Muzi Sibia, I further know, but I further that Muzi Sibia had dreadlocks at a certain time, but cut them after the murder of Senzo.
Ngiyazi futhi uyasho la ukuthi ngiyazi futhi ukuthi uMuzi Sibia wayenama-dreads, uhlobo lwezinwele libizwa ngama-dread. Wagunda emva kokubulawa kuka Senzo. Yeah, emva kokubulawa kuka Senzo.
Muzi Sibiya is currently staying in KwaNongoma, and Mr. Mafika Ntanzi is currently at a certain mine in Rustenburg.
Umuzi Sibiya okwamanje ukwaNongoma. Umafika Ntanzi yena okwamanje usebenza emayini ethize eRustenburg.
As the court places, my lord, it's nearly 20 to 12. I'm not sure whether we are continuing through.
Let's through.
Okay, thank you, my lord. I mean, that's it. Now, having read those paragraphs and being interpreted to you, do you understand what has been read to you, Mr. Mbekiseni Ntanzi?
Sesiwafundile ke lezigaba salesi statement ama paragraph phecelezi wahunyishelo. Ngabe uyakuzwa noma uyakuzwisisa lokho ofundelwe kona?
Ngiyakuzwa okufundwayo.
Yes, I do follow what is being read.
Now that you understand, you've already stated here that you indeed know Mr. Absalom Zungu, correct?
Ngoba uthi uyakuzwa ke usushilo vele ukuthi ke uyamazi uAbsalom Zungu.
Yeah.
Yes.
And would I be correct to also say that you are also from KwaNongoma?
Ngizobe ngiqinisile uma ngithi nawe uvela kwaNongoma.
Yebo ngisuka khona.
Yes, I'm from there.
Now, do you recall where were you residing around the period of late 2017?
Ngabe usakhumbula ke ukuthi wawuhlala phi ke uma se unyaka ka2017 usuya ngasekupheleni?
Noma ngasakhumbuli kahle. Kodwa khona bengise Emelo.
Even though I cannot remember quite well, but I was in Emelo.
And if you know, could you tell the court also where Absalom Zungu was staying at the time relevant, late 2017?
Uma kushuthi uyazi ungasho yini ukuthi ke wayekuphi ke uAbsalom wayehlala phi ke uAbsalom Zungu uma sekuyo unyaka usiqonde ngasekupheleni ka2017?
Wayehlala emqhashweni eThusi.
He was residing as a tenant in Thusi.
Where is Thusi area that you are mentioning?
IThusi indawo ekuphi le lokhuluma ngayo?
Kusho ukuthi kahle yilokishi. Yigama laleli lokishi.
That is a township. That's the name of a township.
Okay. And in what town or city and province is that Thusi location?
Le Thusi mnumzana ikuliphi idolobha noma idolobhakazi okanye ikusiphi isifunda?
Emelo idolobha.
Emelo is that town.
Okay.
IThusi yilokishi.
Okay.
Isakhiwo saleli lokishi uthi Thusi.
Then Thusi is a township. That's the residential area called Thusi.
And would I be correct to say that Emelo is in the Mpumalanga province?
Ngiqinisile na uma ngizothi kuwena iEmelo lena ingaphansi ke kwesifunda saseMpumalanga?
Yebo.
Yes.
Now, specifically regarding the allegations that are made alongside your name in the statement, did you meet Absalom Zungu in late 2017 at Durban?
Asikhulume ke ngalezi insolo okukhulunywa ngazo la kulesi statement esifundile. Ngabe uye wadibana noma wahlangana noAbsalom Zungu eDurban uma unyaka soya ngasekupheleni unyaka 2017?
Cha.
No.
Did you specifically in late 2017 meet Absalom Zungu in KwaMashu squatter camp?
uma singalimisa Ncamashi uye wadibana naye ngazo leyo nkathi zika 2017 unyaka maso uqonda ngasekupheleni uye wadibana naye kwaMashu ngasemikhukhwini.
Cha, akaze ngiye eThekwini.
No, I never went to Durban.
When you say you've never went to Durban, are you saying in your entire life you've never set foot in Durban?
Umuthi xa angaze ngiye eThekwini ngabusho ukuthi empilweni yakho yonke awukwaze ulokothe ulibeke unyawo awukwazi ukugcoba eThekwini.
Angilazi nokuthi kuphi.
I don't even know where it is.
And for completeness sake, this KwaMashu squatter camp, have you ever set foot in that area?
Ukuze le ndaba siqedele kahle. Le ndaba yakwaMashu enemikhukhu squatter camp ngolukwa George. Uke waya lapho uke wagcoba unyawo?
Cha.
No.
No.
Now, specifically regarding the pertinent allegations made against your name in this statement, did you ever have a conversation with Mr. Absalom Zungu about an argument between a brother of Bongani Ntanzi and Bongani Ntanzi himself?
Ake simise esiqonde nje ngqo. Maqondana ke nalezi insolo ezifanelekile ezibekwe ke ngo Bongani Zungu. The sentence was a bit long.
Okay.
Did you ever have
a conversation with Mr. Absalom Zungu
uke waba nengxoxo na nomnumzana Absalom Zungu
regarding a fight or argument between another Ntanzi brother and Bongani Ntanzi himself?
ingxoxo eyayiphathelene nokulwa phakathi komunye uNtanzi umfowenu wakaNtanzi kanye elwa kanye no Bongani Ntanzi. Waba nengxoxo njengaleyo noZungu?
Cha.
No.
Do you know anything about a fight between another Ntanzi brother, because it's just a statement that says another Ntanzi brother, no name is attached there too. So do you know of a fight between another Ntanzi brother and Bongani Ntanzi himself?
Ngabe kukhona yini ukulwa okwaziyo phakathi komunye umfowenu wakaNtanzi kanye noBongani Ntanzi, ngoba istatement asicacisi kahle ukuthi imuphi lo Ntanzi okuthiwa walwa noBongani Ntanzi. Kukhona okwaziyo ukulwa noma ukuxabana okunjalo okwaziyo?
Cha,
angikwazi.
No, I do not.
No. And in the statement it says that argument or fight took place in a homeland called Sosoto. Do you know of any homeland called Sosoto?
Kule statement kubhaliswa ukuthi ke leyo ngxabano noma lokho kulwa kwenzeka esabelweni esibizwa ngeSesotho, Sosotho.
Sosoto, S-O-S-O-T-H-O.
Sosotho. Kukhona isabelo esinjengaleso saziyo esibizwa ngeSosotho.
Ngazi oSuthu. Eduze kwaseNyokeni. Siqonde yonke lo ndawo kuSosuthu.
oSuthu.
Yeah.
I know oSuthu.
Yeah.
Next to Nyokeni. That entire district.
Yes, but what I'm asking you is very, very, very nuanced. There's a slight difference. Do you know an area called Sosoto in KwaNongoma?
Yakodwa ke lokho engibuza kona kwehlukile kancane kunale mpendulo yakho. Kukhona indawo oyaziyo yini ebizwa ngeSosotho? Sosotho KwaNongoma?
No.
No.
Now, did a fight or an argument of any nature, as mentioned in the statement, according to you, occur between another of your brother with this brother of yours that is before court, Mr. Ntanzi,
ngokwazi kwakho nakho ake kwaba khona yini ukulwa noma impikiswano eke yaba khona eyenzeka phakathi komunye wabafowenu uNtanzi kanye noNtanzi lona?
No.
No.
did any of your brothers, and I'm just doing it for clarification purposes, did any of your brothers ever told you that they had a fight or argument with Mr. Ntanzi?
Lo ngizokubuza kona ngibuzela nje ukuthi ngicacise izinto. Ngabe ukhona mhlambe omunye kubafowenu oke wakutshena ukuthi yena uke waxabana noma waba nempikiswano noNtanzi?
Akekho.
No, none.
Now, furthermore, we are still on the statement about what it says in relation to your name. It also then attributes certain information to you that the brother then told, the other brother told you that he would not fight with Ntanzi, but rather that he would report him to the police for the murder of a pirate goalkeeper known as Senzo Meyiwa. Should I break it down?
Can you repeat the question? I just want to
Yes,
hear.
let me break it down. Now, in the statement, it attributes this other information to you, which is critical.
So kulesi statement siveza imininingwane ethize esiyenza ifaneleke kwangathi imininingwane ephuma kuphi.
Now, according to the statement, you are telling Absalom Zungu this.
Ngokusho kwale statement kuthiwa wena wawutshela uZungu lokho kulandelayo.
That your other brother told you that the brother now that was fighting or arguing with Mafika tells you that I would not fight Mafika, but I would rather report him to the police for the murder of Senzo Meyiwa.
Ukuthi umfowenu ndina loyo kuthiwa wayexoxa nawe wakutshela ukuthi yena wathi hayi ngikhetha ukuthi ngingalwi noNtanzi kodwa okungcono ke ngihambe ngiyombika emaphoyiseni ngokubulawa Senzo Meyiwa.
Did you have any conversation of this nature with any of your brothers that told you, I fought with Ntanzi and I told Ntanzi, rather than me fighting you, I'd rather report him to the police for the murder of Senzo? Did you have such a conversation with any of your brothers?
Uke waba nayo ingxoxo yalolo hlobo nanoma nawuphi nje wabanye babafowenu owakutshela ukuthi hayi mina ngabona ukuthi ngcono ngalwi nomfowethu lo okungenani angihambe ngiyobikela amaphoyisa ngokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa?
Cha, angiyazi lokho.
No, I'm not aware of such a conversation.
No.